Hello and welcome to this new video, where we'll go over how to prune your raspberry bushes, whether they are everbearing or summer-bearing. The pruning process will be illustrated with diagrams for better understanding. If you enjoy this type of video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel by clicking the little button at the bottom right of the video, give it a thumbs up, and let us know in the comments if you liked it or not. Also, tell us what videos you'd like to see in future uploads. You can also find us on our French channel, where you'll discover over 200 growing guides, now all subtitled in multiple languages. The link will be in the video description. Before we dive into the details of pruning your raspberry bushes, it's important to determine whether your raspberry plant is everbearing or summer-bearing, as the pruning method will vary depending on the variety. Summer-bearing raspberries produce fruit only once per season, typically from June to July, yielding a larger harvest all at once. Everbearing raspberries, on the other hand, have two production periods, one from June to July and another from September to October. Pruning raspberry bushes is essential for two reasons. First, it helps clean up the plant by removing canes that bore fruit the previous year. Second, it stimulates the growth of new shoots. Now, let's take a look at how to prune these two types of raspberry bushes. This video has now come to an end. Thank you for watching all the way through. If you enjoyed it and want to see more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our future uploads. If you're looking for a guide that isn't yet on our English channel, feel free to check out our French channel, where you'll find over 200 growing guides on vegetable gardening, fruit trees, berry bushes, and plenty of other tips and tricks. All videos are now subtitled in multiple languages. The link will be in the video description. With that, we wish you all happy gardening, and we'll see you soon in the next video.